Hi, I'm Oliver Simon. I am 15. I live in Llanrydder. I like my book of flags, and I like Wrexham and Liverpool.
My name is Joe Stamper. I'm 15 years old. I live in Road/Johnstown, and I support Wrexham and United. If there's any United fans here, I'll be happy, but yeah.
Hi, my name is Levi Buckley. I am 16. I'm from Wrexham.
I'm Charlie Reid. I'm 18 years old and I live in Pinnakai.
I'm Jazz. I'm 17 and I like Greek.
My name is Ryan Buck. I am 15 years old. I live in Southsea. And during the half term, I went to the Kutch Pottery Cafe.
Okay, so we would like to talk to you today about the importance of listening to young people.
Do you listen to young people?
That's really interesting. We think adults could listen to young people more. We are here to tell you our stories and experiences and what we think you could do to make things better for children and young people across Wales.
We would like to start by telling you a story.
This is a small story I have made, and is the backstory of my character Collector Harrington, who has still his sister's powers. As you will see, this is a story of a forgotten sister/daughter, because no one was listening to her, and it made her aggressive. So I enjoy writing because it calms my nerves down when I'm bored or upset. It helps me to read and reread things that either things I missed out, or just things in general, anyway. Or things in general. It helps my mind relax.
As just showed, children can be listened to in different ways. I'll be showing my friend's experience and thoughts of how young people can be listened to. I want to be heard, but speech is a big problem for me. Writing can be difficult, and so with limited speech and writing, I have no voice. I draw to communicate. I love drawing. I love listening to music, especially Ed Sheeran. It helps me to feel calm. When I sing, it is easier to communicate. When I speak through songs, it's emotional because it makes me happy. Being happy helps me to feel confident.
When we asked young people in our school, almost 20% didn't find sharing their voice easy.
I would like to share with you my experience of not being listened to and how it impacted my independence. Growing up with special needs, I wasn't always allowed to do things my friends or others were doing. I wasn't allowed to be left home alone. I had to wait until I was 16. I couldn't cook for fear of burning the kitchen down, and I struggled being independent. I had to fight for my independence. I don't resent my parents, they were looking out after me after all. Recently, I have passed my driving test and I cook and clean for myself. I just wish people would have listened to me sooner.
We asked other young people in our school. Lots felt like they were listened to, but 97% want to be listened to more. And 81% said they would like more independence. What would we like to see?
We would like to be listened to more and to be given the chance to be independent.
We would like the opportunity to be listened to through art or music.
We hope our presentation will help you realise that young people aren't always listened to and we all have a voice in different ways.
Do you think you could listen to young people more?
Thank you for coming and thank you for listening.